Hi, my name is Jason from Cutting Landscape Constructions, and today we're in Mount Martha on the beautiful Mornington Peninsula to showcase one of our projects we've just completed. Come and take a look. Here we've got the twin fully automatic sliding gates. Pretty much everything electrical in this landscaping project has been wired up so our client can program anything on his smartphone. That includes the automatic gates, the automatic irrigation system, the lighting, even his surveillance cameras can all be operated from the push of a button on his mobile phone at any time, anywhere in the world. Come and take a further look, guys. So firstly, we'll speak about the pool equipment enclosure. So this was built for two reasons. The first reason was obviously just to contain the equipment, hide it away from sight, but also just provide a bit of protection for it as well. But secondly, we wanted to line the whole thing with the soundproofing material, so when it's all closed up, you can't hear a thing. So you can entertain out here with your friends and family without listening to the sound of the pool filter and the heating equipment going all day long. So here we have the beautiful flame granite paving. Slightly falls out to this hidden strip drain here, which you can barely see. Now the reason we install these hidden strip drains is because it's a seamless drain. The water just rolls off, disappears into the gap there and out through the storm water system. These aluminium battens are a perfect alternative for glass pool fencing. You notice that glass pool fencing gets used a lot and it does look great, but it's always good to balance it out with something different. Now if these are installed right with the right gaps and in a sturdy foundation, then they can become pool compliant and, as I said, be a great alternative compared to glass pool fencing. Yeah, you can see the beautiful pool here has been constructed by the team at Coastal Pools and Spas, 11 metres long, 4 metres wide. The landscape designer has recommended the flame granite. You can see we've got the big 1 metre by 300 mil flame granite drop face coping, so it makes it look like a nice thick coping beam around the pool. And then we've got the 600 by 300 standard flamed granite paving unit, which you can see laid in the brick bond pattern all the way through the area here. Now these feature pots were supplied from the balcony garden. We've got the feature snake plant in here and the feature foxtail ferns here. Soon enough these foxtail ferns will grow in size and mature and start cascading over the pot. It's going to look great. Now check out this view, guys. We're overlooking the whole of Port Phillip Bay here. We've got Safe Beach down the bottom. We've got Arthur Seat over in the background there. On a clear day you can see the You Yangs right across the bay over in Geelong there. And we can even see the city of Melbourne over to the north there. Fantastic view. And we're stepping down onto the nice, cushy Sir Walter Buffalo turf platform. Now this is a beautiful grass. You can walk around on it with bare feet all day long. It's a nice tropical grass, thick bladed leaf. Very, very nice to walk on. Come and take a look at this. Now no garden would be complete without a nice hidden secret garden slash sitting area. You could put a nice fire pit in here, sit around the fire, or in this case have a nice piece of artwork which could be the central focal point for your entertaining down in the garden. And here we have the big retaining wall. The reason this retaining wall had to go so high was to maintain that grass platform level at the right height so we could still get those nice bay views. Now this retaining wall had to be engineered, we needed a building permit and we also needed council planning approval to build it because it's over 1 metres high. Cutting Landscape organised the whole thing from start to finish for our clients. Now this would usually be the dead side of the house. It's usually a wasted side of the house that you can't do much with. It's got all the utilities and bits and pieces, the clothesline, but what the designer's done here is fantastic. The designer's softened it all up with the nice natural violet, but also still made it accessible using the red gum sleepers. So you can see it's quite easy to walk through here on the red gum sleepers, and this violet just softens it all up nicely. Now what we've done here is we've built a spotted gum screen which hides the water tank from view when you're looking out of the feature kitchen window. In time, these jasminoids, which you can already see are starting to climb up, in time they'll climb up and end up covering the whole screen. It's going to look fantastic once it's done. And you can see here once again, dead side of the house, all the utilities, but the designers still managed to make this look good by having these kangaroo paws planted in, and they're in bloom, so it's all looking fantastic at the moment. We've got the outdoor shower here, so when our clients get back from the beach they can rinse off. And no Mornington Peninsula landscaping project would be complete without using the local Hillview granite boulders. I absolutely love this stone. We still needed to retain a little bit of this garden due to the slope, and I thought this would be the perfect spot for some brown Hillview granite. I think it's come up a treat. Soon enough these plants will cascade over the top of it and it's going to look fabulous. Make sure when you choose your next landscaping project that you choose a landscaper that's a registered builder for structural landscaping and also part of the Landscaping Victoria Association. If you need help with your next project, contact Cutting Landscape Constructions, because at Cutting Landscapes, we don't cut corners.